how to share WhatsApp link. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually share a WhatsApp link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what kind of WhatsApp link you're talking about. Are you talking about your profile's WhatsApp link, which means you want people to come to your profile, or are you talking about your group's WhatsApp link? So in an official way, WhatsApp doesn't allow you to have a profile link because you simply don't have one. But if you want to copy the link of your group, then you can just open up WhatsApp, and you need to be the admin of that specific group first of all. And once you make sure that you're actually the admin of that group, you simply want to go to that specific group. In this case, once you go to the group, tap on the group profile here. If you scroll down here, you have the option called invite to group via link. So basically, if you want to share this link, you can tap the share option, and then you can just send it to anybody that you actually wish, or you can also copy the link and then paste it and then send it to your friends. Now this is actually for your group, but if you want to share the link of your profile, then by default WhatsApp does not have the option to share the link of your profile, which is, even if you come to settings, if you come to privacy or wherever else, you can see we don't have the option to link our profile. For this, we have to take the use of a third-party tool, and the URL I'll make sure to drop a link. Just open up your new browser, go to create.wa.link. So basically you want to come to this web page, which is create.wa.link. It is a WhatsApp link generator for your profile. So over here, what you want to do is just select the option called create a free WA link, right? So just select over here, and in this case you simply want to actually enter the phone number of your WhatsApp. Once you enter the phone number of your WhatsApp, you can also add a custom message and then just tap on done. You can just select generate my link, and once you generate your WhatsApp link, basically you can see your WhatsApp link is right over here. So you can just go ahead and then copy this link. Now when you copy this link and send it to your friends, so let's say I am your friend, right? Again, so basically I have your link. So if I want to actually send it and actually review it, if I just go ahead and open up my browser, or let's say I just click on that link, right? I'll just go ahead and paste it, and then I'll just go ahead and paste it over here. Once I paste the link, I'll just hit the go button. When I go to that link, it will just directly take me to that specific numbers page where I can simply chat with that person. So I can tap and continue to chat over here. I can open the WhatsApp app and then chat with that person respectively. And this is simply how you can share your WhatsApp link, be it of your profile or be it of your group. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.